AVoverIP PoE. I'm here with Theatrixx and Kris Hill. How you doing, Kris? Nice
Very
to
well,
see you.
yourself?
Yeah, very good, thank you.
Good.
Last time we saw each other was in Barcelona.
Yeah, sunny Barcelona.
And we saw this lovely range of kind of modular system. We had breakout box for absolutely every codec and everything that you wanted.
Yeah.
But now, tell me what you've got new.
Sure, okay, well I'm pleased to say that at this particular show, we've now launched our Optical Breakout fiber passive box. We're taking pre-orders now. This will be shipping late June, early July. There's going to be a couple of options. Kind of open Pandora's box with this one when it comes to fiber. This particular model is an MTP12 to 6 duos. We also are going to be doing an MTP24 to 6 quads. And some smaller versions as well. So pricing will be available from your reseller or distributor next week. And again, we're taking pre-orders now. So that's cool. Everyone's been looking forward to that. Something I've been waiting for is our new PoE++ unmanaged network switch. Now, what's unique about our proposition, first and foremost, is the way we package our products. The business Theatrixx is all about reliability. Okay, so we take that DNA of reliability and translate it to all our products.
And it's really robust. I really like
Incredibly
the chassis.
robust. Thank you. Yeah, so everything is protected by a 1/4-inch aluminium chassis.
Yeah.
It's a built-in power supply, so no external wall warts or DC adapters. We also give you, so it's a locking true one in,
Okay.
and we give you a power outlet as well, so you can power other devices. We don't use any menu structures or dip switches on our products. They're plug and play. They're all color-coded and all compliant, whether it's SIMD or HDMI, HDCP, and others. This particular product, so this is going to be one of 2 products. So the first product that's going to be released just after summer, we hope, is got a 120 watt power budget. Okay, so that enables you to do maybe 4 30 watt PoE, 260s, or a combination of them. If you use 260s, for example, your other ports, support port, aren't redundant, they become data only.
Okay.
But really interestingly, what we've incorporated on the first box is PTP-UX, or version 2. So if you're using Redell Communications, for example, and you're in an event space, and you're looking for something unmanaged, to manage that, we have a solution for you.
And can you daisy chain these as well?
You could, because they're unmanaged, so they're passive. So you could actually link more than one together. And it's got a fiber downlink as well.
Okay.
So you can choose whether that's single mode or multi-mode. The next version, which is the packaging, is going to look very similar. The labeling will be different. Is a 180 watt power budget. So that enables you to do maybe 2 90 watt PTZ cameras. They draw quite a lot of power. If you look at, say, a Panasonic UE160 or around about that type, which of course is popular in our space, then you're going to need more power. So we've now found a power unit and a way of doing it to give you more functionality at a higher wattage.
Brilliant. Kris, have a great show.
You're welcome.
Take care.
Thank you.